Enterprise Ventures Corporation, EVC, can help you reopen safely for your customers and employees.
When businesses reopen, risk assessments are going to be a huge part to analyze what risks that your employees, maybe customers, visitors, contractors, what everybody will experience.
CTC, as the parent corporation of EVC, is a nonprofit organization. So it's really part of our mission to give back to the local communities that we work and live in. And we've had the opportunity over the years to gain significant experience in lots of areas related to COVID-19. And we believe that there's a lot of applicability to help people not only get back to work, but also maintain operations in this dynamic environment that we face ourselves in.
The key to all of this is communication with your employees, and this report will help you reach that communication level that your employees are desiring.
So we look at not only how your people are working together and the work that they're performing and where it's being done at, but we look at the big picture to see the hazards behind the scene that could be evolving.
What type of company could benefit from EVC's COVID-19 service? Really, it could be any type of organization, from large to small, schools, healthcare organizations, museums, retailers, as well as manufacturers.
Call Greg Jablanovsky today at 814-269-6826 or email sms@evc.ctc.com to discuss EVC's comprehensive COVID-19 response and recovery program.